Hello, welcome to Professional Strategies, your first course in your program. This is going to be a fun course for you. You're going to learn about transitioning into college, and you're going to learn a few things about our learning management system, which is our LMS, Canvas, this platform that you're in now, and how to participate in classes. It's important that you gather together tools to be successful in college. And so part of this course will talk about how to set goals, how to create an online presence, a professional presence. It's all preparing you for your college career and your professional career. So I want you to enjoy this class and have a good time engaging with the content as well as your peers and myself. So this is your course syllabus. It's very important that you follow the course syllabus because the course syllabus is your map to success in this course. Every course should have a course syllabus, and you can find that syllabus here under syllabus or in modules under course syllabus. I'm sure you've gone over this in your orientation course as well. So let's move forward. In week 1, we're going to talk about college transition. You're going to discover things about the culture of college, what type of attitude you should have for college, and then you're going to participate in a discussion. Now, let me tell you something about the discussion boards. That is your platform to use your voice to express your ideas about the topic that we're discussing, to talk to your peers, your fellow students in the class, and to talk to me in the class. I'm in the discussion board daily, with the exception of weekends. Sometimes I'm only on there one day on the weekend. However, I'm there, and you can always reach me in the discussion board or via text or phone call or email, right? But the discussion board is very important. Your initial post to each discussion is due every Wednesday by 11:59 p.m. This is how we take attendance. So if you post in the discussion board, you're counted present in class for the week. If you submit your assignment before you do your discussion board, you're counted present for the week. So any kind of activity that you submit for a grade is considered attendance for the week. You're counted present, okay? Speaking of assignments, after you complete your discussion question, then you have 2 assignments this week in week 1. One is a scavenger hunt where you will study the Vista College catalog. And then the other one is setting goals. You're going to set your college goals. So take time to look at the different lessons. The lessons in this week are practice lessons. You can go through them. You don't receive a grade for them, but it helps you prepare for the assignments down here at the bottom. It helps you prepare for the setting goals. It helps you find information, shows you how to find information for your scavenger hunt. So it's very important that you participate in everything during the week. Week 2, it continues goal setting and financial literacy. I think in this week you also will be creating a budget. You'll be setting financial goals, long-term and short-term goals. Don't forget, you have to participate in your discussion board, right? When is it due? Wednesday by 11:59 p.m. Your initial post is due, and what does it do? It counts you present in class for the week. After you complete your discussion question, then you want to continue on to your assignments. Now, this week you have 3 assignments. I know that assignment 2.3 is a very short career services survey where we get your feedback on certain aspects of career services. And then you have 2 other assignments, again, the goal setting assignment and your budget assignment. You have 3 lessons that can help you, that will assist you in preparing your budget and your goals. Please participate in those lessons so that you can get good foundational information to be able to successfully complete your assignments. Then in week 3, we're going to go into study skills. You're going to talk about, we're going to talk about informational literacy, reading to learn, your test taking skills, and what the big one, time management. Time management is huge in an online environment. You have to know how to wisely take care of your time, to organize your time in order to be successful in an online learning environment. Again, we have 4 lessons for you. There's 2 practice lessons and 2 videos that give you some insights on all of those topics that we discussed up at the top. And then again, you have your discussion questions. It seems like you're going to do a little survey and then provide feedback on what you discovered about yourself. And then you're going to do a couple of assignments on taking notes and discovering how you spend your time. I think you're going to do a time log where you go about and you write down where you are spending your time during the day. So if you in the morning you have a cup of coffee and watch the news, you write that down, and then you say, I'm going to work at 10 o'clock and I get off at 2. That's a nice schedule. And then I'm going to study from 3 to 6 and then cook dinner, whatever. So enjoy this time, because every student tells me the biggest thing and the most valuable thing that they learn in this class is time management. So enjoy. And then week 4, we go over problem solving. You're going to go over problem solving and critical thinking. Again, you have your lessons where you're going to do some practice activities where you're introducing critical thinking, learning how to analyze and evaluate information, and then a video on problem solving. Another discussion board. When is it due? Wednesday by 11:59 p.m. Why is it important? It's important to engage in the class and to communicate with your fellow students and your instructor. This also, again, counts you present in class for the week. That is very important. And then your assignment 4, is an activity where you're going to do some problem solving. You're going to find the best solution, okay? And then week 5, which is our final week, is a growth mindset. The whole purpose of you coming to school is for you to grow, to learn, to advance your life, right? So you need to have a certain mindset to be able to do that. And this week, we're going to explore what that is. What is a growth mindset? How do I embrace challenges? I have the power to make mistakes, but I also have the power of yet, meaning I can go beyond my mistakes. I can move forward no matter what mistakes I make, right? And then we're going to go into lessons where it's going to give you videos on what do you have a mindset? How to evaluate, do I have a growth mindset? How do I embrace challenges? And then talking about mistakes and moving past those mistakes. And then you're going to have a discussion question. It's due this week by Tuesday at 11:59. Your initial post is due by Tuesday at 11:59 p.m. in the 5th week, because this is your last week and class ends on Friday. Okay, so your discussion is due at 11:59 p.m. Tuesday. This also counts you present in class for the week. And then you have 2 assignments. You have 2 reflection assignments. Consider your mindset, and you're going to discuss that. And then number 2, how yet can transform your mindset. So how can you, being an overcomer, transform your mindset? How pushing forward makes you successful and gives you that growth mindset. Keep those things in mind. This is going to be an exciting class. I'm looking forward to hearing from all of you. I'm looking forward to engaging with you in this class and hearing your voice. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to call me, contact me. I'm Kim Possible. My number is 214-606-6541. The other thing I want to remind you is have fun in this class. This is supposed to be a fun class, an introductory class, a class to get you going and get you ready for the rest of the courses in your program. Again, my name is Kim Bosley. Welcome to Professional Strategies.